When we were young and lived back home, you were bored and so unknown. And when you thought you were alone, I would listen. I see you going a mile ahead. What's in your heart is in my head. Well, there are things that must be said if you listen. Well, everything could just burn with all the fire in your head. Well, slow down, kid. I always wish to be here a while. Austin is not your style. We could walk the miracle mile if you listen. I'd listen. Your yellow shoes, you're running away. You really don't have to escape. I'd never let you be afraid if you listen. I'd listen. Well, everything could just burn with all the fire in your head. But slow down, kid. 'Cause there's one more path to take. Can't you see your distance to me? The space between your everything to me. Slow down, slow down, slow down, slow down, slow down, slow down, kid. You're the picture on my wall. I see you rising above it all. Every worry seems so small. You're a vision, a vision. Well, everything could just burn with all the fire in your head. 'Cause there's one more path to take. One more path to take. Yeah. Can't you see your distance to me? The space between your everything and me. Slow down, slow down, slow down, slow down, slow down, slow down, kid. Slow down, slow down, slow down, slow down, slow down, slow down, kid. Slow down, kid. Slow down, kid. Slow down, kid. I steal a look before you turn. Feel your light just before I'm burned. What's in your heart is my concern. If you listen.